model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van body, white, panel van mileage, 142272 MOT. The 28th of September 2023 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner does start on full 24 V-volt pack, engine very low on compression will need repairing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.